Ever wondered what the rich know that the rest of us don't? Imagine a world where your wealth isn't a question mark, but a guarantee. What if I told you that there are 5 little-known principles that can rewrite your financial story? If you're ready to break free from the money maze, then stick around, because this video is your game-changing opportunity. It's time to unveil the 5 powerful principles that could reshape your relationship with money and lead you to a path of lasting wealth. These principles aren't just theories. They're tried and true strategies that have stood the test of time. Get ready because it's about to get exciting. Principle 1. Living on a written plan. You know how you wouldn't build a sandcastle without a plan? Well, your money deserves the same attention. Having a written financial plan isn't just a good idea. It's like having a secret weapon against financial chaos. Whether it's saving up for that dream vacation, paying off debts, or building a nest egg, a plan gives you direction and purpose. Guess what? This isn't some newfangled idea. Way back, even the wise teachings from the Bible emphasize the value of planning. It's like connecting ancient wisdom with modern money smarts. Knowing where your money is headed is not just about logic. It's about making your future more secure. Every dollar has a mission. Imagine your money as a bunch of eager soldiers, each ready to go to battle. But they need a commander, someone who assigns them a mission. That's where the magic of allocating every dollar with a purpose comes in. No dollar left unaccounted for. Whether it's rent, groceries, or your Friday night fun, every dollar has a role to play in your financial success. So, remember this. Having a written plan isn't just about scribbling numbers on paper. It's about crafting your financial destiny with intention. Whether it's your first step towards freedom or your giant leap towards wealth, a plan gives you the power to take control. So let's get planning and watch how every dollar paves the way to your financial victory. Principle 2. Saving money. Ever heard the saying, save for a rainy day? Well, turns out that nugget of advice is as old as time. You see, both ancient wisdom and modern financial gurus agree that saving money is like building a fortress of security around your finances. It's not just about having extra cash. It's about having a shield against unexpected storms. Think of saving money like a superhero with 3 capes. First, there's the emergency cape. Life can throw curveballs, and having money tucked away for emergencies is like having a superhero rescue fund. Then comes the purchase cape. Saving up for big buys means saying goodbye to debt and hello to financial control. And last but not least, the wealth-building cape. This is where your money multiplies, grows, and turns you into a financial genius. So let's make saving money less about the struggle and more about the strategy. From being prepared for unexpected surprises to turning your dreams into reality, saving is like a secret weapon in your financial toolkit. Get ready to stash those dollars and watch them transform into your personal army of financial security and success. Principle 3. Getting out of debt. Regain control of your income. Picture this. You work hard for your money, but a chunk of it disappears into debt payments. It's like driving a race car with the brakes on. Getting out of debt means taking the steering wheel back and deciding where your money goes. It's about having the power to direct your income toward your goals. Break those chains. Imagine being free from the haunting phone calls, the endless bills, and the feeling of being trapped. That's the beauty of becoming debt-free. It's like breaking out of jail and stepping into a world of possibilities. No more interest piling up, no more creditors knocking at your door. Just you, your goals, and your money working for you. Just you, your goals, and your money working for you. So, let's unsheath our swords and slay that debt dragon. It's time to take back control of our lives, our money, and our dreams. Say goodbye to the chains and hello to the sweet taste of financial victory. Get ready to write a new chapter. One where you're the hero who conquers debt and emerges stronger than ever before. Principle 4. Generosity and giving. The generosity advantage. Guess what? Being generous isn't just about warm fuzzies. It's a legit strategy for financial triumph. Imagine a world where the more you give, the more you receive. Well, that's not just wishful thinking, it's a real thing. Being generous is like planting seeds of positivity in the garden of your life. Ever noticed how giving feels so darn good? That's not a coincidence. Turns out science backs up what we've known all along. Generosity lights up the pleasure centers of our brain. So when you're giving, you're not just making someone else's day. You're boosting your own happiness too. Real-life generosity heroes. Ever heard of folks who seem to have it all? Successful careers, amazing relationships, and a sense of fulfillment? Well, often, these are the same folks who've mastered the art of giving. Think about it. Bill Gates, Oprah Winfrey. They're not just successful, they're also some of the most generous people out there. So tap into the magic of generosity. It's like a ripple effect that starts with you but spreads far and wide, touching lives and turning your world into a place of abundance. Whether it's money, time, or kind words, get ready to sprinkle that generosity fairy dust and watch how your life transforms into a masterpiece of success and happiness. Principle 5. Quality relationships. The influence game. Picture this. You're at a party and everyone's talking about their latest shopping spree. You start to feel that itch to splurge too. Sound familiar? That's the power of influence. The company you keep has a sneaky way of affecting your financial choices, whether you realize it or not. Your personal elevator. Ever heard the saying, you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with? Well, it's not just a catchy phrase. It's real. Surrounding yourself with ambitious, growth-minded pals can have a massive impact on your own personal growth. You rise together, you learn together, and you achieve together. The money mindset mirror. Ever noticed how your attitudes toward money match those of your close pals? That's no coincidence. Your relationships can mold your money mindset more than you'd think. Hang out with folks who see money as a tool for growth, and you're likely to adopt the same perspective. So let's be intentional about our circle. It's not about ditching friends, but about choosing people who uplift you and your financial dreams. Surround yourself with those who challenge you to be better, encourage your growth, and align with your financial aspirations. Get ready to level up your life by choosing quality connections that steer you towards success and financial greatness. It's about putting these principles into action and watching your financial world transform. Remember these key takeaways. Plan your money, save for the future, break free from debt, embrace generosity, and choose your tribe wisely. These aren't just steps, they're your road to financial freedom. Embrace these principles, put them into action, and watch your money story evolve. It's not about overnight success. It's about consistent steps toward long-term prosperity. Thanks for joining this money revolution. If you found these insights eye-opening, and we're sure you did, hit that like button and share with your fellow money warriors. Until next time, keep rocking those financial moves and crafting your own success story.